Welcome to our video on leveraging Claude for AI architecture reviews. Today, we'll explore how Claude can enhance your architecture assessments, ensuring robust and scalable AI systems. Have you ever wondered how leading companies ensure their AI systems are both robust and scalable? Meet Claude, a powerful tool that is revolutionizing AI architecture reviews. In this video, we'll dive into how Claude fits into the AI ecosystem and why it's becoming a go-to solution for architecture assessments. Claude not only helps in identifying potential bottlenecks but also offers insights into enhancing system performance. By the end of this video, you'll understand Claude's relevance and how it can be a game changer for your AI projects. Setting up Claude for architecture analysis is a crucial first step in leveraging its full potential. Start by ensuring your system meets the basic requirements for Claude. Next, follow the step-by-step setup guide provided by Claude's documentation. Pay close attention to configuration settings, as these will impact the effectiveness of your analyses. Integrating Claude with existing systems can be seamless if you follow best practices, such as using recommended APIs and plugins. Watch out for common setup pitfalls, like incorrect permissions, which could hinder functionality. Efficient setup not only saves time but also enhances the accuracy of your architecture reviews. Claude is packed with features designed to streamline and enhance AI architecture reviews. The feature-rich dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your system's architecture, highlighting areas for improvement. One of Claude's standout features is its real-time analysis capability, allowing you to see how changes affect system performance instantly. Tools for assessing scalability ensure your AI can handle growth efficiently. Claude also offers performance optimization suggestions, helping you tweak your architecture for better results. Coupled with a user-friendly interface, these features make Claude an indispensable tool for anyone serious about AI architecture.
Let's explore some real-world applications of Claude, demonstrating its power in AI architecture reviews. In one case, a leading retail company used Claude to streamline its recommendation engine, resulting in a 20% increase in sales conversions. Another success story comes from a healthcare provider that utilized Claude to optimize its data processing pipeline, significantly reducing processing times and costs. These case studies not only highlight Claude's effectiveness but also offer valuable lessons in how to implement its features successfully. The impact on business outcomes is undeniable, proving Claude's value as a strategic tool in AI architecture. In a crowded market of AI architecture tools, what makes Claude stand out? When compared to competitors, Claude offers a unique combination of features, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness. While other tools may excel in specific areas, Claude provides a balanced approach to architecture reviews, offering comprehensive insights without overwhelming users. A cost-benefit analysis reveals that Claude offers superior value, especially for small to medium enterprises looking to scale efficiently. User feedback consistently praises Claude for its intuitive interface and reliable performance, making it a preferred choice for AI professionals.
Even the best tools can encounter issues, and Claude is no exception. Common setup issues include incorrect permissions and compatibility conflicts, often resolved by following the documentation closely. Performance troubleshooting might involve adjusting configuration settings or ensuring your hardware meets the necessary specifications. Claude offers extensive support resources, including a community forum and dedicated support team, to help resolve issues swiftly. Avoid common pitfalls by regularly updating your software and following best practice guidelines. For a smooth operation, regularly monitor system logs and performance metrics to preemptively address potential issues. To get the most out of Claude, it's important to follow best practices. Start with regular system audits using Claude's comprehensive tools to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Make effective use of Claude's features by staying updated on new releases and enhancements. Continual learning and adaptation are crucial, as AI is a rapidly evolving field. Integrate user feedback into your processes to improve both the tool's effectiveness and user satisfaction. Future-proof your AI systems by leveraging Claude's insights to anticipate and prepare for technological advancements, ensuring long-term success.
As AI technology continues to advance, so does Claude. Upcoming features include enhanced data visualization tools and deeper integration capabilities, allowing for even more comprehensive architecture reviews. Claude's roadmap indicates a focus on improving scalability and adaptability, aligning with anticipated industry shifts towards more dynamic AI systems. These developments are expected to have a significant impact on AI architecture, making it critical for users to stay informed and prepared. By understanding these trends, you can better position yourself to leverage Claude's evolving capabilities, ensuring your AI systems remain at the cutting edge. In conclusion, Claude offers a robust set of tools and features that can significantly enhance your AI architecture reviews. From setup to troubleshooting and analyzing future trends, Leveraging Claude ensures your systems are both robust and scalable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI and technology. We'd love to hear your experiences with Claude or any other tools you use in the comments below. Share this video with your network, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.